What SEO actions will make the difference is the first segment in a three-part series. For the next 3 weeks, you will hear Patrick Matter, the Chief Strategist and founder of the patented online marketing mastery formula, answer the one question we hear from clients and you. What is the one action I need to do for my website? If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
So what action will make the difference? That's a question that comes regularly. What should I do? The one thing that will make the difference. So the one thing is the combination of action. So there is no magic bullet. Yeah. You must combine different action if you want to have a good return on investment. Yeah. And that's why sometimes we hear people, oh, I tried this but it didn't work. I did this, didn't work. Yeah. Because you need to combine different things together. Yeah. So I created a formula that combines the thing together. But now what we will do, as it is an intro for newbie, we will catch the points that you can do easily yourself, just with little changes, and get already good results. So the first thing, the most important thing, when you start your campaign, and you will see everybody, if you do search online or wherever agency asks, they all have a long strategy, and in the end, they say do monitoring. Yeah? Monitor the outcome of this. My advice is start with the monitoring. That's the first thing. Put monitoring. Catherine, we started recently on your project. I think you can confirm that's the first thing that we did. We set the monitoring. We asked you the figures for last year, 2 years back. That's the first thing, so that we can understand, that we can be data-driven. Yeah? And by her, for example, when I said we doubled the leads, what come from your website, her first reaction on the phone, yeah, I don't see that. Yeah? But then 2 weeks later, she told me, yeah, now I feel it. Yeah? But I could already see it from the data. But till you feel it, it needs reaction time. It's just by luck, because the lead, they come by wave. Yeah? You have 3, 4, 1 week, and then nothing, and then more. So you don't feel it, is it really? Yeah? But I see it already on the statistic. We are on the right track, so we can much faster fine-tune. So first of thing, monitor. There are many advanced monitoring that exist, but let's touch the 3, 4 points that you really need. Monitor how much traffic you have on your website. That's the first thing to monitor. Second, monitor how many leads you are generating. Overall, not just your contact form on the website, overall your company, how many leads you have. Very easy to monitor. You can do it with Excel file, yeah? But if you have a software, powerful software, Alex can help you for that. And we have also Alex Rima, who has software for specific industry, where you can all get all those data. Yeah? But sometimes people have very advanced software and they don't know how to use it. Yeah? So how many leads you have overall for your business, and how many of those leads become clients. That's the 3 things to monitor. If you have this, you can already work wonders. And once you have this, also see the average lifetime value of your client.
Be sure to follow up next week to watch the second segment of our 3-part series. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at our playlist, Advanced Step-by-Step SEO Tutorials, to the first page of Google. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.